Hi, I'm very excited because in this How Do I video, I will explain how you can set up and configure the Power BI contact package for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016.
We will get there by going through the following steps. In step 1, we will sign into the PowerBI.com, select the content package for Microsoft Dynamics NAV, and we're going to connect our instance to the contact package. Then in step 2, we will show you how to use the dashboard and the reports from the content package and how they can be personalized.
Let's get started with the first step. Here we are going to select our content package and we are going to connect Microsoft Dynamics NAV or instance to the contact package.
So in this first step, I will connect to the PowerBI.com website. So I'm just going to navigate to PowerBI.com, where I am asked to log in. Either I will be able to log in or we will be able to create a new account. I'm going to type in my password. And now we are on the PowerBI.com website. Everything is loading. Once the application has been loaded, we are presented with a choice to be able to select some data. So here I'm going to select services. I'm going to click on the Get Account. And then what we are going to see are all of the available content packages on PowerBI.com. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will notice the one here from Microsoft Dynamics NAV. I'm going to select it. And here I will be able to connect to it. When I'm going to click on the Connect button, a pop-up window is going to open where I will be asked to enter the OData path to my service tier. So I'm going to paste in the URL, and actually what you need to do is you need to connect to your service tier and then you need to provide your company, but nothing after. I'm going to select the Next button, and then I'm going to be asked to authenticate to our instance. I'm going to select Basic Authentication. As you can see, there are also other types of authentication. I'm going to type in my username, and I'm also going to type in my passwords. I'm going to click on the Sign In button, and now a connection is going to be made to the service tier. The connection has been made. As you can see, the system is importing data, and while the system is importing data on PowerBI.com, we are going to see that the dashboard is loading. This will take a couple of seconds depending on the amount of information, and after a couple of seconds our dashboard will be completely loaded.
In the second step, we are going to show the dashboard and the reports from the content package, show how to use them, and also how you can personalize the content.
So here we are in our Microsoft Dynamics NAV content package on PowerBI.com. And we are actually here in our dashboard, and the dashboard actually consists out of multiple charts which have been added. Here on the top of the window we can see some sales information, the sales this month, and the number of open sales orders. We can also view the opportunities in our pipeline, profitability information. And as we go lower in our dashboard, we can see more and more financial information. For example, we have some trial balance KPIs. We also have some margins that are available. Now let's go back to the top here of the dashboard, and I'm going to select our sales this month. So I'm going to scroll to the top again. I'm going to click on it. And now we can drill down into this report, and as you can see, the report has multiple components. We can see our sales on a geographical map, and we can also see it in different diagrams here at the bottom. Now all of these aspects are connected together. We can, for example, apply some filters. I'm going to filter on Austria, Belgium, and then, for example, Germany and UK. And as you can see, data is filtered and displayed in real time. I can apply different types of filters. All of the charts are connected. I can also use this icon here at the top to remove all of the filters. Now I can go back to my dashboards by using actually my workspace here on the left side. I'm going to have a look at our trial balance chart, which we can see here at the right side, and it contains actually a number of KPIs. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this report, and then I'm going to edit it. Here on the top, I can dynamically edit the report, and automatically, as you can see, the report editor opens. I can add some more visualizations if I would like to do that. Now at the moment, I'm just going to select here my KPIs. And as you can see, the details are also shown here. I'm just going to scroll a little bit to the bottom, and here you can see my KPA name, which is the same as I see here on screen. We'll be able to select it, open it, and then I can see all of the individual KPIs which are in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by selecting all of them, and then I'm going to remove the ones that I don't want to see in my report anymore. So for example, I have this percentage and the gross margin percentage. And then I will be able to save my report, or which I'm going to do right now, and then I'm going to also pin this. And by selecting actually this pin, I will be able to use this, to pin this to the dashboard. So I will get an extra chart on my existing dashboard, or I'm also capable of creating a new dashboard. This is how it will look like. You're also able to select the different tile theming. So I'm going to click here on the pin button. It has been pinned, and if I now go back to my dashboard, as you will notice here at the bottom, I now have some extra information available, my pinned chart with the KPA names that I selected. So this is to demonstrate that you can completely customize the dashboard. You can customize each of the reports, and you can reuse them to create new dashboards. It's completely customizable to your own requirements. So let's have a look at the summary, and let's go over the steps that we went through in this video. In step 1, I demonstrated how you can set up PowerBI.com and how you can connect to the content package for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. And in step 2, we explored the dashboard and the reports we have available in there in our content package, and also how you can customize the content. In this video, I covered the following topics. First, I presented the new Power BI content package for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016. Power BI enables you to share and present data across an organization. Our data can also be defined centrally, but can be consumed separately. And the dashboard that we have used can completely be customized. To learn more, please visit the following resources.
Thanks for following this video on how to configure and use the content package on PowerBI.com for Microsoft Dynamics NAV. This video was brought to you by Microsoft and Platan. See you in the next one.